The pain in my body I felt after the first day was my indicator that we needed to mail stuff home. On the table, we made a pile of everything we brought with us that we thought we would need on the trip. Stuff which in fact we did not need. Goodbye hand crank coffee grinder. Goodbye noise canceling headphones. Goodbye rain pants and extra clothes. Goodbye extra bike lock. Goodbye extra books. And goodbye extra toy cars. Hungry Unicorn put her summer dress on the goodbye table. I took it off and packed it in my pannier.
23 pounds.
Wait!
River, we're on another cool bridge.
Is it open?